In the 22nd century, it's not just waste materials that get thrown away, it's humans too. Welcome to the scrap. Deep below the surface of the Earth lies the resettlement zone known as the scrap. Here, humanity's dispossessed have been dumped. The homeless, the unemployed, anyone who doesn't fit into the gleaming cities above ground. Governed by an all-seeing artificial intelligence, the people effectively abandoned by the upside world scrape a living while yearning to see the sky once more. Soma Maliss is a blacktop, a member of the scrap's nominal trustee police force. Pregnant for 5 years but unable to give birth because of population control, she too hopes to one day escape by getting a job that will take her out of the scrap. In a world dominated by constant surveillance and control, a series of murders and a disappearing monster threatens to bring the scrap to the brink of collapse. What can Maliss do to find the culprit, and will she still be the same by the end? Created by Simon Spurrier and Richard Elson, the scrap ran from Prague 1308 to 1312. It has shades of Demolition Man, and you can see Soma as an early predecessor of some of Spurrier's later non-2000 AD work, while he was already experimenting with time shifts and narrative tricks. It's an impressive feat to squeeze into 5 episodes, and the pace doesn't really let up as the series shifts from a whodunit to exploring how it's not just its inhabitants who yearn to be free from the scrap. Elson's artwork has a clean precision, and anyone who enjoyed his work on Kingdom or Atavar will enjoy this slice of sci-fi action with its themes of mortality, oppression, and disregard for the value of life. The whole series was reprinted in a graphic novel collection that came with Judge Dredd magazine 364, which is available from 2000AD's web shop and apps. We've got a bit of a biggie on the next 2000AD ABC Earthlit as we meet the ultimate gentleman thief, the stainless steel rat himself, Slippery Jim DeGriz.